Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to lift your Ford Transit. First, understand that lifting your van provides several key advantages, such as improved ground clearance for tackling rough terrain. You will also gain the ability to install larger, more aggressive tires, which can significantly enhance your vehicle's off-road performance and aesthetic appeal. We will cover the essential components and steps involved in this modification. When considering a lift, you have a few main options. Suspension lift kits are popular, often providing a substantial increase of 2 to 4 inches by replacing springs and shocks. For a more modest rise, typically 1 to 2 inches, body lift kits separate the body from the chassis. Alternatively, coil spring spacers offer a cost-effective solution for gaining 1 to 2 inches of additional height. Before beginning installation, gather essential tools like a sturdy jack, reliable jack stands, and a precise torque wrench. Safety is paramount, so always follow manufacturer instructions carefully. After completing the lift, it is absolutely critical to get a professional wheel alignment. This ensures your Transit handles correctly and prevents premature tire wear, maintaining safe and predictable driving characteristics. Lifting your Ford Transit offers numerous benefits, including improved off-road capability and the ability to clear larger obstacles. You can also fit more aggressive tires, like those up to 32 inches in diameter, enhancing traction and appearance. Remember, regular maintenance is key. Routinely check all suspension components for wear and ensure bolts are torqued to specification to keep your lifted Transit performing safely and reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.